Hello YouTube, how are you? So for today we'll be learning what is a change of character, ChoCh, and a break of structure. So to start off, what is a break of structure? So let's say the market right now, for instance, here is bullish, correct? Why? Because it has a high, a low, a high, a low. The low is higher than the other low, and the high is higher than the other high. Correct. So this is a bullish trend. Now, how do we identify break of structure? Or it's very simple. First, we identify by looking at the first high. We see how this high left this low, and when this low was created, another high was created, giving you a break of structure. Why? Because it broke the structure before, which was this high. And when we continue, we understand how again another high was formed. This high formed this low, and then this low formed another high higher than the other one, and it gave you another break of structure. These breaker structures are important because it tells you that the trend is going to continue. So how do we know we're in a bearish trend? We know because every time we get a breaker structures, the institutions confirm to us that the price wants to keep going up. They want to keep pushing the price up. Same as if we were going on a downtrend, correct? So we see how this low created a high, and then this high created a lower than the other low. So this is a breaker structure. It broke the last low, breaker structure. So then, therefore, this means that the institutions want to push the price down. So every time we get a break of structure to the downtrend, we know that the market wants to start going bearish. They want to keep pushing the price bearish on the downtrend for sales. Now, what is a change of character? Well, here's what a change of character is. So as you know, the price won't always go in the single trend. So eventually there's going to be a point where the price is going to have to change in reverse. For instance, here, the price was going up in a bullish trend, and immediately, as soon as this low formed this high formed a low lower than the other low. Therefore, it gave you a change in character. Why? Because it broke the last high and they also broke the last low. Therefore, changing the trend. So from bullish and went straight down to bearish. So this is what we call a change of character. As I like to call it, I would say that price here took liquidity. We will be going over that in a few videos. Liquidity, and it gave you a change of character here. Price was supposed to confirm a bearish trend because it broke the high, but instead it broke the high and it broke the low. So it changed the trend what to bearish. Same as if we were in the opposite. For instance, here, price here was in a bearish trend. So when price stopped, what did it do? It gave you another change in character. Why? Because price here was supposed to make another high and make a low and break the low, but it didn't. What did it do? That low created a high higher than the other high, therefore breaking the low and also breaking the high, therefore giving me a change of character, which means that the institutions wants to start their bullish trend. Now, let's see these examples on the graph. All right. So here we have a perfect example. Why? Because here price was giving you a breaker structure to the high. It was in a bullish trend. Here we have a BOS. Price kept going up. Price kept going up. Gave you a low here. Gave you another high. And then it gave you another breaker structure, confirming that the trend wants to keep going bullish. Here is a BOS. And then here's where everything starts to change. Why? Because now price didn't make another low and broke this high. What did it do? This high made a low lower than this low. Therefore, what do we have? What is that called? Change of character. Instead of breaking this high, it broke the low. So it changed. This means that now the institutions want a bearish trend. And that's exactly what happened. Price kept pushing to the downtrend. We then see another breaker structure here, confirming us price wants to keep going in a bearish trend. It's a chalk right here. So this could only mean one thing. What is it? This means that For now, for price to keep going up, I would have to wait for price to break this high right here. So when price, this is in the live market right now, guys. So in order for the price to change character, we had to break this high, and as soon as it breaks this high, immediately this bearish leg starts to change to a bullish leg. So guys, just with practice and learning, you would understand these concepts. Just rewatch this video, and you will be understanding everything from top to bottom. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and follow me. I will turn on notifications as well, and have a good one.